Well, we're just in Merredin outside the post office here, and Tom's gone in to deposit some money that was donated to us by kind folks at the Merredin Caravan Park. Yeah, we're just waiting here for Tom to make it. Ready for the ride?
Yep.
And we've come upon the Golden Pipeline Heritage Trail, which is our alternative route to Westonia. Okay, so we've navigated our way through a heritage trail park with a maze of trails.
I think so.
And so you think it's that way, Nathan?
We're going to go that way.
Okay.
We have to turn right at some point as well.
Okay, let's do that. Well, Nathan's done a great job of navigating us through the labyrinth of the Merredin Heritage Trail, and now we're on Goldfields Road, so hopefully this will take us most of the way to Westonia. Here's the guys doing the dishes at the start of day 9 after a breakfast. We had pancakes this morning, it was very exciting. Well, this is the Edna May Gold Mine. We had a lovely stay at the Westonia Caravan Park last night. It was so quiet and peaceful, I didn't hear a thing. Although the boys said they could hear someone snoring loudly, I certainly didn't hear it. Anyway, we're on the road today. We decided to take the alternative route to Southern Cross, so heading slightly north of the highway, and we've got about 74 kilometres to go. Should be a lovely day's riding. Well, we just finished with Buddha Rockin Road, and now we're turning onto Westonia Road. Lovely downhill run here. Just hit 30 kilometres an hour. Oh, back on some sealed road now. We've got some lovely wattle as well. Oh, the jackets have got to come off again. Bit tricky to regulate our temperatures today with the occasional very light sprinkling of rain, and we put the jackets on and then we get too hot, so we've probably stopped half a dozen times to do the jackets on and off. What happened to Tom back there?
He fell off.
Oh dear.
He's alright. Caught himself just in time.
You alright, Tom? And this is our setup in the Southern Cross Caravan Park for the night. It's raining on day 10, and it was raining most of the night. I think we're expecting 25 millimetres of rain today, so we have decided to stay here for another day and wait till the back roads dry out a little bit before we head off towards Norseman. Well, it stopped raining here about 11 this morning, but the ground is very wet and soggy, so we're thinking the dirt roads that we're planning to ride from Southern Cross through to Norseman would be very, very difficult to manoeuvre. So we might stay here for an extra at least 1 or 2 days, give the roads a chance to dry out. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much more, and then we'll try and make our way through there. Little outdoor camp kitchen area at Southern Cross Caravan Park. On our day off in Southern Cross, we've decided to visit the Yilgarn History Museum. We're glad we're not riding bikes like this. We've just had another change of plans. I've just got off the phone to the main roads department, and they've informed me that the back roads we're thinking of taking through to Norseman from Southern Cross are closed, and they couldn't get down there to recover us if we did have something go wrong. It's 301 kilometres, so they won't be open until next week sometime probably. So we've had to resort to plan A, which is to ride on the Great Eastern Highway from Southern Cross through to Coolgardie. Ready for a big day today? We want to do over 100 kilometres today.
Yeah, well, day 10 was very easy.
Yes, day 10 was a rest day. Okay, well, we're heading towards Coolgardie, but we won't make it all the way because I think it's 137. No, 187. 187. So we definitely won't make it all the way, but we'll try and do as many as we can today and have a bush camp tonight. Nathan's hair looks like it's already been bush camping.
It has.
Yeah, it's lovely. Just wish I had some like that. Nathan's just attaching the 4-litre water bladder there. Leaving Southern Cross Caravan Park, we're on the Great Eastern Highway from here on. Well, just as well we're carrying 4 days of food with us, because you wouldn't have got anything here. Nice little rest area here, but we've got to press on. We've just stopped for lunch after 80 k's. You can see the pipeline there that we've been following most of the way. We're on the Golden Pipeline Trail, I believe. Isn't that right, Nathan?
That's right.
Tom's longest ever ride on a bike, 87 kilometres. We've got more to do though. Well, this spot will be our bush camp for the night. We've just come in a couple of 100 metres off the road in a lovely little clearing here. We've done about 120 kilometres today from Southern Cross, and we've got about 67 to go tomorrow morning to get to Coolgardie. Hey Tom, how are you feeling about your big day yesterday and riding again today?
Fine. Good.
You're pretty happy with yourself? 120 kilometres yesterday?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
Hopefully it's a lot easier today. We're only doing 67.
Okay. How do the legs feel? Just zooming on those. Yep, they're looking fine. You've got sunscreen on them, of course.
Yep.
Excellent. I think I'll wear my mid-season gloves today. Just doing some last minute stretches there, Tom.
Yeah. Helps with the knee pain.
You got a pain in your knee?
Yes.
Yeah. How's the neck going?
Neck wasn't too bad actually yesterday.
Yeah, okay.
Didn't really feel it.
Alright.
Just
Well,
the
that's
knee.
good. I've had a bit of neck pain. Yeah. My wife's been dealing with a pain in the neck too for about 35 years. Making our way from the bush camp back out to the highway. It's good to meet you, Lucas.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
So makes the day as well. Definitely seeing somebody changes your day. It makes you ride a little bit faster, and you remember these moments for sure. Rolling I'm from Adelaide, day 22, and I've bumped into 3 guys on their bike. Pretty crazy. You can go days without seeing anybody out here, and just to see a little bit of a movement on the road that looks unusual, different to a motorcycle and a car, and you know it's someone that's either running or cycling.
Yeah. And we certainly look a bit unusual too, don't we?
Yeah, 3 people in one all together is very strange.
Alright, see you later, Lucas.
See you, boys.
All the best, mate.
Would you like some water?
Might be the highest point.
Could be the highest point around here, which is good news. Whoa, downhill. Alright, ready to head off after our lunch break on day 12. We've had another brush with the law here. These guys just stopped to check that Nathan's doesn't have any outstanding warrants. Isn't that right, Nathan?
No, it's not right.
Will's ridden across Australia.
Sydney, Perth, yeah, back in 2016.
Yeah, so great to have a chat. Yeah, great to have a chat about your ride, and Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you.
All the best for the rest of the journey.
This is our campsite at the Coolgardie Caravan Park last night. This is the camp kitchen. How are we going, guys?
Alright.
Good, excellent. Ready for another day.
Yep.
Do you know where we're going today?
No.
Would you something?
Yeah, what's it called?
Widgiemooltha
Widgiemooltha.
Roadhouse. So, do you know how far it is?
77.
Yeah, I think you're right. Okay. And that'll be, this is day 13, is it right?
Yeah.
Excellent. Very impressive visitor centre here. Here's the first sign that's mentioned Adelaide we've seen on our trip. Large truck, back. Oh, I've just got to stop here and take off a few layers. I'm getting a bit warm with the mid-season gloves. So I like to put my fingerless gloves on. And this jacket's also getting a bit warm, so we'll get rid of that. Very hard to regulate your temperature on a bike, I find. I think I might also get rid of my Southern Cross bandana and go like that. We're at the end of day 13. The boys are just setting up their tent at the Widgiemooltha Tavern in the camping area, and the forecast rain is due to come in about 15 minutes. Just showing you the moat that I had to dig around my tent last night to stop the water flowing under my tent from the rain. But it held up, it was quite effective. It didn't get flooded out. The boys set up over there and they were fine. We've got a problem with my Spot X tracker today. Well, last night we discovered that it wouldn't turn off, and then the battery has got low and it started to make this screaming sound, possibly warning that the battery's low. But for some reason the on and off switch is not functioning, and so it's just going to run out of battery and be absolutely useless. We've got 91 kilometres to Norseman. Let's go. We're all set up for 2 nights in the Norseman Caravan Park.